Every event that
Puros winner.
always winner.
Always
Ah.
winner.
Hopefully this time around ganun na rin.
Yeah.
So, who
God's
among the winners of Miss Universe Philippines do you look up to?
Oh, that's a very tricky question. Oh, Pia Catriona. I love them all because they have different, naman talaga po, different na dinadala sa stage. I love them all, but the one that caught my attention was Catriona. Because I love how she speaks, that it's just normal. Kasi what I've noticed in pageantry is that lagi silang nagpe-prepare sa question, minimemorize yung ano. Yes, meron talagang proper standard of answering, like the structure, the opening, and the closing, but most of the time, you just have to answer the question. This is what I'm advising din sa mga younger than me or sa nagpa-pageant, nag-ask ng advice sa akin sa Q&A. You know, I told them po na ang important part talaga ng pageantry is experience. Because this is what you're gonna share to the people. So when you get to, when people are going to ask you a question, either emotional, critical, you just have to answer them from your heart.
I just saw you saw with Catriona.
That's why I love Catriona. Because she was so light in the international stage. She was just like the snaps in Tondo, Manila. Like, it was so light and hindi masyadong, she doesn't sound pressured. Like, it all came from her heart. Yes.
And maybe because both